Good day guys! Welcome back to your tutorial. Pagpapatuloy natin ngayon for the lesson number 11, all about interior elements. I know we haven't done the interior elements such as the ceiling, stairs, and lighting. Later you will know why we are doing lighting at this point of the lesson. You'll see that when we do the interior 3D view. Alright, let's go jump right into your tutorial. So when you're creating the ceiling, you have to make sure that you are at the ceiling plan. So you are not at the floor plan, we are at the ceiling plan. So I already opened the ground floor ceiling plan. You see the difference between the ground floor plan, which is already having the room names. The ground level ceiling plan doesn't have the room names. It doesn't show it yet. We haven't annotated it yet. So let's just close that so we'll not be confused. And let's go straight to the architecture tab. Click onto your ceiling and automatically you'll see the automatic ceiling highlighted. So that's the easiest thing to do. And you'll see the properties here of the material that you will use. It's either you have a compound ceiling or you have a generic ceiling. So let's go for a 600 by 600 grid, and we'll have the constraint as the height offset. Let's set it up at 2750 and apply. And I will just go to the automatic ceiling. Ang gagawin natin, you'll just have to drag your mouse to the middle of the room, and that will automatically create your ceiling. All right. You just created your ceiling. If you click on that, you see that you already created your ceiling. And of course, you can change the material. Change the material if you want to make like that. This, if you want to make this plain. And if you want to change the height, of course, you can change the height. Let's make this 3 meters. And that will stay there. And let's look at your section to see the difference. Okay, so you have the other ceiling, which is 3 meter above the finished floor, and the other ceiling, which is 2750 mm above the finished floor. Little bit more practice. Let's go to the upper floor. Go to the first floor plan. Remember, we have to be in the ceiling plan. First floor level. Let's go to architecture, ceiling, same constraints, 2715, then we can just change it later on. Automatic ceiling tayo. Just click on the rooms. That's easy. Does it. Click escape when you're done. And if you want to click select, and change the material for that. And you'll be asking, can we change the line or the orientation of the ceiling? Yes, of course. If you want to align it with this wall, what you simply do is to click your ceiling and click on align. Where's align? Click escape. Secure ceiling, then where is our align? Modify tool. No, sorry. Click the wall. Click the wall. Okay, select the wall. We have the align tool. Where's our align tool? Did we forget our align tool? Can't find my align tool. Type AL. Select. So select this line and select that. That's easy. Does it. Alright. Gawin din natin on the ground floor. If you have made this as your 600 by 1200, you can see that it's aligned something like that. So if we select the ceiling, you type align AL, like this, you can select that. Ayan, naka-align na tayo. You want to align both lines of the ceiling, you can do that as well. You can type AL, select this, and then select that. Align na yan. Of course, if you are very uh, very particular with the lines, which architects are, you would want to do that. So you can do that as well for your ceiling at the rooms. Okay, you can do that as a practice. So after the ceiling, let's do some stairs. Balik na tayo sa ground level. So we know that we have an opening somewhere here, and let's do it using the very simple stairs that we have in Revit. If you click on architecture, where are our tools? What happened to our tab? Yeah, let's go to our stair, and use this U-shape winder, or maybe the L shape. Let's start with the L shape. And these are ready-made stairs, just for the sake of learning the very basic. Let's just click it here somewhere. And of course, once you get it there, you can just click on check, and then you're simply done. You can select that and you can rotate it. Click the rotate button, rotate it upward according to the direction that you want it to go. And you can also mirror it using this mirror. Draw your axis, something like that. It will be mirrored. Okay. And of course, you can select the other button and just delete it. And you can align that again. And let's type our align, AL. Select that line there. And we have the staircase right there. So if you select on the stairs, you will see that the constraints are you have the base level at ground level and the top level as the first floor level. And the type of stairs that we have is the 190 by 250 mm stairs. If you edit type, go to see more of the properties, that the maximum riser height of this is 190 mm and the thread is 250. Of course, we can edit that, but normally we discuss that in the intermediate to advanced level. Just for now, to get you started with Revit, let's use this kind of stairs. So you're certain that it goes up there. Let's double check. Let's go to the first floor level. Yeah, makikita na natin that the staircase is just going down right there. And I think you will have to adjust our slab. And I think you know what to do. You have to edit your slab. You can move that and align that right there. And click your check button. Once you're done, click no here. And something else that we need to revise is our ceiling, because if you remember, you go to our ground floor ceiling, we created the ceiling to be